So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for Marketing Analytics Week 1 Assignment 1. So the first question is packages in R are useful in collecting sets into a dash unit. So these are the option single, multiple, null, none of the above. So the answer of our first question is A, single. And now let's go to our question number 2. Descriptive analysis tells about dash. So these are the option present, past, future, none of the above. So the answer of our second question is B, past. And now let's go to our question number 3. To find missing values, you check for NA in R using the is.na function. True or false? So the answer of our third question is true. And now let's go to our question number 4. In R, every operation has a call for dash. So these are the option system, function, none of the above. So the answer of our fourth question is function. And now let's go to our question number 5. A matrix is a three-dimensional rectangular data set. True or false? So the answer of our fifth question is false. And now let's go to our question number 6. Which of the following finds the maximum value in the vector x? Exclude missing values. So these are the option and the answer of our sixth question is C, max x comma na dot rm equal to true. And now let's go to our question number 7. What will be the output of the following R code? A less than A comma B mode A. So these are the option character, numeric, complex, integer. So the answer of our seventh question is character. And now let's go to our question number 8. Function library is used for calling the location where the packages are stored. True or false? So the answer of our eighth question is true. And now let's go to our question number 9. Which of the following is not an object of R? So these are the option calls, expressions, strings, names. So the answer of our ninth question is strings. And now let's go to our question number 10. R is mostly used in dash. So these are the option problem solving, statistics, probability, all of the mentioned. So the answer for our 10th question is D. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.